Hey, before you settle in tonight, let me slow you down for a moment. If you care about how your space feels when the screen lights up, the S90TR is for you. It's for the kind of person who wants their living room to feel intentional, not patched together with sound that never quite lands. Before you go further, take a quick look at the current price and stock. Systems like this tend to shift when people realize how much they've been missing. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your TV looked incredible but sounded fine. Maybe dialogue felt thin. Maybe action scenes were loud but flat. Or maybe you finally admitted that your visuals had outgrown your audio. That realization doesn't go away. It lingers until you do something about it. The first night this is set up, there's an immediate sense of calm. You stop adjusting volume scene by scene. Voices feel anchored to the screen. Effects move around the room without forcing themselves on you. Instead of sound coming from a bar, it feels like it's coming from the space itself. Movie nights change fast. Atmos scenes stretch upward and outward in a way that pulls you in. Binge watching gets dangerous because episodes flow without distraction. Gaming feels more physical, more directional, more alive. Even casual TV feels elevated, like your room finally learned how to speak the same language as your display. Once you live with this kind of cohesion, weaker setups feel obvious. You hear the gaps. You feel the compression. And every time you think about settling for something simpler, you circle back here, because you already know what you'd lose. If you're even considering it, don't wait for stock swings or those sudden price jumps that always seem to show up after hesitation. You might wonder if this is more than you need. That doubt disappears when you realize how controlled it is. The surprise benefit is how seamless everything feels with an LG OLED. The sound doesn't compete with the picture, it completes it. At low volumes, it stays detailed. At high-impact moments, it stays composed. Owning this feels refined. You don't talk about channels or features. You let people sit down and feel it. There's a quiet pride in knowing your setup finally feels unified, not assembled. Sound fills the room naturally. Dialogue stays clear and grounded. Surround effects feel intentional. Bass adds weight without clutter. Your space finally feels finished. It does take space, and setup deserves care. And it's not a budget choice. But those are the trade-offs for stepping out of compromise. At some point, you stop comparing and looping. You choose the system you already wanted and move on. Check availability while it's still there, trust the upgrade instinct you've been delaying, and don't let this turn into one of those decisions you wish you'd made sooner. Once the S90TR is part of your room, going back just won't make sense anymore.